Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card using the Greenery Lane Bundle for this week. And how cool is this card? It is Lost Lagoon with Pool Party. And I went over it with basic gray to do the outline. And you can see I didn't do it perfectly, and that was the point. I did use some fresh freesia to put the flowers in. Didn't like it. So I went back over with the flowers in the basic gray, stamped the Wishing You Well in basic gray, and added a couple of those floral stamps. How cool is this? So we're going to do it again. We're going to do it on a Coastal Cabana card base with Granny Apple Green and Coastal Cabana. So here's how I did it. And we just winged it. So we're going to ink up, and we're going to put our stamps down however we feel like doing it. Okay. And we'll put one more at the bottom like this. Okay. So now we're going to close up our Granny Apple Green. We're going to pull out our Coastal Cabana, right? Yes, Coastal Cabana. And we're going to add in around. I'm not going to worry about too much coverage because I will be coming in with the basic gray to go over top, and I can always fill in a bit later if I want to. I am going to see if I can pop another one in here like this, and then maybe I'll just put the greeting across there. Okay, so now the magic happens. We're going to come in with our basic gray. Okay, this actually looks pretty cool, just like this. You could maybe even just put your greeting on, add another something in there if you wanted to. But I am going to come in, and I am going to come in with the basic gray over top. Again, I am not lining this up. I am just putting that stamp down there. So we're going to carry on just doing this. There we go. And then down here like this. Okay. Then we'll come in with the leaf one like that. And we're just going to, like I say, doesn't have to line up. The whole point of this is just to be a little bit random. So we'll have some Friday fun and just wing that. There we go. Just keep coming in. This one's a little bit over here like this, and then this one like that. Okay, how awesome is this? I love how this looks. And then we're going to come in with our little flowers, and we're just going to add flowers wherever we like, just like this. Okay, maybe pop some off the edge, just like that, filling in space. So there we go. And I might tuck another one up there like that. Pretty awesome. Okay. So now all I'm going to do, you can ribbon this, you can do whatever you like with this. I am just going to flat melt this onto the Coastal Cabana card base like that. I am going to put the Wishing You Well. And all I did is I stamped it on a scrap of basic white, I put it on a scrap of Coastal Cabana, and I trimmed it with the paper trimmer. So now I just need to decide where I'm going to put this. And I think I might just pop it down here like this. And it's slightly less than 4 inches wide, so I'm just making sure I got margins at each edge. And if you wanted to bling it, you could bling it for sure. I'm going to leave it plain like this, but I am totally in love with how this looks. So let me know which you prefer, and let's create together again soon.